Here's our bake clean oven, made by Peterson Tool Company. There's their info. I think it's probably 20 years old at least. There's the maker of all this thing. So, we have our two different heat levels here. Bump these up to whatever you want. This one's set at 422. This is for preheating cast aluminum for welding. So, that's what it looks like inside. It's our door here. It's got these little button things here to hold us together. Put them all over the place. Kind of quick pull pin type things. Come on, light. So, anyway, it goes in there pretty good. Trolley tracks right here. This whole big cart comes out. There we go. That's what it looks like on the inside. There's where the heat comes in, right through there. That kind of goes where it wants to. And that's where the heat goes out. It's up in there. You see how thick the material is way up in there. So that's in the back chamber. So, that must be the heat probe right there. Oop, there it is. That must be the probe. I was wondering where it was at. Never noticed it. And there's our ceiling up here. So anyway, that's what this thing looks like. Now for dimensions, all the way to the back corner down there. We're at just under 41 inches. And if you get up inside of the, way up in there, all the way against the back of that, and where are we at here? Here we go. So we're just about 50.5 inches. That. Out of there. Okay, we're opening from here, inside the inside. Looks like we're 31 inches. And then from top to bottom, we're about 24 inches. Here's our material here. It's kind of like limestone. I can cut it with my fingernail here. Not super hard. It doesn't look like the other fire brick I have, so it's a little bit harder, rougher texture. This stuff here is real soft and pliable here. Whatever the hell this stuff is. But they got that over everywhere, all lined up under here. And our door insulator right here. It's got this little wiring stuff down in here inside of it. Yep. Come on, light. It's hard to get this thing to focus in where we want to be at. Stupid ass light. Anyway, you can see it's got a wire in there. Light's not going to cooperate today. Alright, so we got a manual shut off valve right here, so it shuts the machine off when you open and close it. When it comes on, the primer comes on first. You hear the fan going. And then when it gets up to our 83 degrees, whatever it be, the second one will come on here and I'll turn on the other burner. burners are back here. It's actually making noise right now. Yeah. Screws on back here. There's our big chimney right there. That's our gas line right up there. Pretty good size. Of course, we don't use that big hooked up to it anymore. Some gas coming down here. So right now we're just using this for a gas line. And we adapt it right over here. And a lot of adapters getting it down to size. Yep. There's the Honeywell blower. Not right. We got two of these. Just got tubes right here to blow in. Probably about 4.5 inches, it looks like. Sticking out about 4. Using the counter line over there, counter light. Just going up, you can see it. Cooling down there. Top one just sit down. Making heat now. See where the heat marks are here on the back. There's another chimney right there. And the chimney looks like it's about 11 incher, roughly. Maybe 12. Goes up pretty high. So anyway, that's what this thing is. It's supposed to be 250,000 BTUs for each one. Not sure about that. It definitely sucks up a lot of gas. The only heat we get from the back wall and the chimney on the coming out the top. This will be cold in here even when up to 400 degrees. So. Yeah, tight clearances in here. So we're already up to 112 degrees. Right now, we got both burners going. Open the door, it shuts off. Close the door, it goes back on. So it's summertime now. It's nice and warm in here. So anyway, this is our oven here. So I'll shut that off. So that's what we got to work with here.